For some reason my floor will get so wet. As you can see, the black thing here is mulling. It has damaged my floor so much. Luckily I got a machine here. As you can see, it's very portable. You just need to plug in the cable and the tube to a window. Pretty easy, which took me like 5 minutes. As you can see, there's a tripod here and lighting, and you can control the swing here, and you got 2 speeds. Speed 1 is speed 2. Speed 2 is very loud and powerful, but if you stay away, it becomes quieter. And you got 2 different modes. You got the dehum mode and driving mode. I think in the driving mode, the air will get so hot. It's like, I mean, that's what you get if you want to drive your room pretty quickly. So far, I wish they come with a remote. And I have some smell, like plastic smell, but it's okay. I think this will go away eventually.